The human brain is in a continual process of change. It responds constantly to stimulus and experience, learning all the time and developing second by second. For almost 30 years, Carsten Balvig toured the world as a concert pianist. Then one day, something happened that changed his life.
For 4 år siden var jeg i Norge, og vi skulle optræde i Arendal Koncerthus. På vej derop, så kunne jeg godt mærke, at der var et eller andet galt. Jeg skulle spille et meget svært stykke med sådan nogle store spring i. Jeg skulle dreje hovedet fra side til side. Og øjnene kunne ikke følge med, så jeg prøvede at holde hovedet i noderne, og så bare spille, eller hovedet på tangenterne, og så bare spille. Men altså, lige lidt hjalp det, så der var en masse fejl. Og min professionelle stolthed, den fik et knæk den dag.
The balance sensors in Carsten's brain almost withered away. He compensated by using his sight and sense of feeling in his legs, and that gave him vertigo attacks and ruined his playing.
Så da jeg begyndte at træne med MIDI så langsomt, kom det tilbage igen.
8 months later, the changes in his brain were so great that he was able to return to the piano. MIDI, move it to improve it.